Doctors in Yarmouth say the excitement of that announcement 4 years ago of a new emergency department, double the size of what they have now, has been tempered by the realities of continuing to work in a space that's out of date and no longer meets the needs of patients or staff. The medical lead at Yarmouth Regional Hospital says they've done as much as they can to work within the confines of the existing space, but they're butting up against limitations.
You're seeing patients in hallways and areas that were not set up for acute care patients necessarily. And in some cases, you're seeing patients and all there is between you and the next patient is a curtain. So that, from a privacy perspective, it's a huge concern as well. Infection control measures, it's a concern. So, we come to work every day, look to work hard and try to do the best we can, but certainly in a more functional environment would be helpful.
Health Minister Michelle Thompson acknowledged last week the process is taking longer than people had hoped. She said that now that the design work is done, it moves to the next phase all construction projects must go through before ultimately receiving government approval.
This is the first stage of the project and it's complete, and now we move on to the next stage of the project. So it's not a no, it's not a yes, this is just how the project unfolds, and so we're committed to seeing that to move forward. So I don't think the semantics of it, I know it can be unsettling, but there really is no change. This part is complete, and now we move to the next stage, and it has to go through those approval processes as well. So I can't surmise, what that's going to be, but this is where we go next, and we'll see this part of the project through, and then we'll give you an update on the next step.
The doctors in Yarmouth we spoke to say they hope that update comes sooner than later. Michael Gorman, CBC News, Halifax.